Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Planet Coaster on mobile devices. Many fans wonder if the highly anticipated sequel, Planet Coaster 2, or the original game, is available for phones or tablets. Unfortunately, neither game has a native mobile version. These complex simulation titles are designed for powerful gaming systems, not handheld devices. We will explore why this is the case and what alternatives exist for theme park enthusiasts. The primary reason for no native mobile version lies in the game's demanding system requirements. Planet Coaster 2, for instance, needs a powerful processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card with at least 6 gigabytes of RAM. Mobile devices simply lack the hardware to run such intricate simulations smoothly. Additionally, the detailed controls and extensive building options are difficult to translate effectively to a small touchscreen interface, making a direct port impractical. While a direct mobile version isn't available, you can still enjoy Planet Coaster through cloud gaming services. Platforms like NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the PC version of the game to your mobile device. This means the powerful processing happens on remote servers, and your phone or tablet acts as a display. You will need a stable, fast internet connection and a compatible controller for the best experience, as touch controls are not ideal. If cloud gaming isn't an option, many excellent theme park simulation games are designed specifically for mobile. Titles like Roller Coaster Tycoon Touch or Theme Park Tycoon offer engaging gameplay tailored for touchscreens. These games provide a similar creative outlet for building and managing your dream amusement park, with simplified controls and graphics optimized for mobile hardware. Explore these options to get your theme park fix on the go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.